Are you ready to elevate your culinary game? Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a dedicated home chef, or someone who simply loves experimenting in the kitchen, a quality blender can be your best friend. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best blenders on the market, tailored to suit every budget and culinary need. From powerful countertop models that can crush ice in seconds to compact designs perfect for small kitchens, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive into the features, benefits, and top picks that will help you blend your way to delicious creations. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus, our pick for best budget blender. When you press the pre-programmed smoothie button on your Ninja blender, you're in for a thrilling experience. The initial stop-go action builds anticipation before it unleashes a powerful 10-second burst at a staggering 1400 watts, transforming your ingredients into luscious, thick smoothies that mimic a frothy milkshake. Designed with your convenience in mind, the thoughtfully crafted pour spout ensures precise serving, while a smart little flap keeps your remaining smoothie fresh. The sturdy, rubberized grip running from top to bottom enhances your comfort during use, and the turn-to-lock mechanism securely attaches the jar to the base, giving you confidence as you blend your next batch. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply fill the pitcher with warm water and a splash of dish soap and run the Ninja at its highest setting for a quick clean. However, be cautious with the stacked blade assembly as it can slide out easily. While the Ninja excels in performance, be prepared for some noise, especially when breaking down ice. It's definitely more commotion than stealth. Despite the minor quirks, you're investing in a powerful blender that delivers top-notch performance. With a generous 72-ounce capacity, dimensions of 6.75 by 9 by 17.5 inches, and an 8.8-pound weight, this Ninja blender has 3 speed settings, pulse function, and 3 preset programs, making it one of the best options for your kitchen. Plus, it comes with a recipe book to inspire your blending adventures. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodi, our pick for best personal blender. If you're in the market for a personal blender, you'll be pleasantly surprised by this model and its array of features. Unlike many blenders that only offer a pulse button, this one comes with multiple presets tailored for various blending needs. You'll appreciate the included Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, which is designed with a built-in tamper to help achieve a thick, creamy consistency without requiring a lot of liquid. When you whip up your favorite margarita, you'll enjoy its rich, creamy texture and the superfine sugar blends seamlessly. There's no grit to spoil your drink. And if you're a fan of homemade snacks, you'll love the smooth peanut butter that you can create in under 3 minutes. Another great feature is the sturdy suction base that keeps the blender firmly in place during use, especially with the Pulse-style auto smoothie setting. You'll also benefit from 3 versatile jars, a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker and 2 24-ounce blender jars with convenient travel lids, all of which are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With a weight of only 6.5 pounds and compact dimensions of 7 by 7 by 11 inches, this blender fits easily into your kitchen setup, making it a delightful addition to your healthy lifestyle. Whether you're making smoothies, spreads, or snacks, this personal blender puts a world of delicious possibilities right at your fingertips. Number 3. Breville BSB510XL, our pick for best immersion blender. If you're in the market for a versatile and powerful immersion blender, Breville's control grip should be at the top of your list. This appliance consistently impressed us with its ability to handle a variety of tasks, from pureeing soups to emulsifying mayonnaise in no time. One standout feature is its smoothie-making capability, effortlessly crushing ice in just 40 seconds and blending chia seeds into a smooth mixture within 2 minutes. What sets the control grip apart is its impressive 15 speed settings, allowing it to function both as an immersion blender and a standard countertop blender. Its silicone base means you can use it in any pot or bowl without worrying about scratching or damaging your cookware. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive set of accessories including a 42-ounce blender jug, a 25-ounce chopping bowl, and a whisk attachment, making it an excellent choice for whipping up meringues, whipped cream, and other delicious desserts, while the control grip is on the pricier side for an immersion blender. Its wide range of functions makes it a worthy investment, particularly for those with limited kitchen space. Just be aware that it can be quite loud at higher speeds. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable all-in-one kitchen tool that delivers exceptional results, this might be the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. Number 2. Ninja 610 Professional, our pick for best large blender. If you're searching for a blender that combines power with affordability, the Ninja stands out as an excellent choice. With a robust 1000 watts of power, this full-size blender excels in creating delicious juices and smoothies, making it ideal for those who lead an active lifestyle or simply enjoy healthy beverages at home. The extra-large 72-ounce plastic pitcher is perfect for preparing large batches, whether you're entertaining guests or meal prepping for the week. When you think about blending frozen fruits or ice, it's essential to have a blender capable of handling such ingredients. The Ninja features specially designed blades that effortlessly crush ice and liquefy even the toughest frozen fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get a smooth, creamy texture every time. Its manual function allows you to take complete control over the blending process, tailoring your creations to your preferred consistency, whether that's a chunky salsa or a silky smoothie. Measuring 18 by 12 by 13 inches, it's a sizable kitchen appliance, but its performance makes it worth the countertop space. With this blender, you won't just be making drinks, you'll be enhancing your culinary journey. Imagine enjoying a thick, refreshing smoothie packed with nutrients, or crafting your own homemade sauces and soups with ease. The Ninja is designed to help you embrace healthful living without breaking the bank, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen. Number 1. Vitamix 5200, our pick for best blender overall. The Vitamix 5200 is an outstanding choice for those who demand performance in their blending tasks. Whether you're tackling hard vegetables, sticky ingredients, or fibrous produce, this blender transforms them into silky smooth purees with ease. You'll appreciate its powerful motor, which is designed to handle extended blending sessions without the risk of overheating, making it perfect for those larger recipes or daily meal prep. The 5200's tall, tapered design is thoughtfully engineered to create an optimal vortex, ensuring that all ingredients are consistently pulled into the blades for thorough blending every time. You'll find the interface refreshingly simple to navigate, allowing you to focus more on your culinary creativity rather than fiddling with complicated settings. Safety and durability are paramount, which is why the 5200 features a radial cooling fan and a thermal protection system. This guarantees that your machine performs efficiently and lasts for years, even with frequent use. With a generous capacity of 64 fluid ounces, this blender accommodates everything from morning smoothies to hearty soups or sauces for family gatherings. Its compact dimensions of 8.75 by 7.25 by 20.5 inches mean it fits comfortably on your countertop without taking up too much space. In short, investing in the Vitamix 5200 not only elevates your kitchen experience, but also empowers you to explore a world of culinary possibilities. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which blender you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.